Hello there! In this lecture, we are going to dive into the fantastic world of Flex property. This property empowers you to make items responsive by just the width based on containers width. Unlike the current items that maintain fixed width regardless of the container size, with Flex you can achieve a responsive layout. To start, let's target the items in the container, apply the Flex property to all of them, and set it to 1. This simple step will make them occupy an equal amount of space, each taking up 1/3 of the available width. They will grow and shrink with the container size. Now, let me share a little secret. The Flex property is actually a shorthand for 3 properties: Flex Grow, Flex Shrink, and Flex Basis. Although I won't delve into these details right now, it's good just to know that they are at play. We will use the easy way of the Flex for now. This approach of setting Flex to 1 is much more efficient than the old method of specifying a percentage-based width. The old method required adjust the percentage wherever a new item was added. With Flex, you can add items freely, and Flexbox takes care of responsive distribution. Let's put this into action. Reintroduce the Flex property and add a 4th item to the mix. See how Flexbox automatically allocates space for all of them, equally distributing the width and make them responsive. You can even target specific items. Suppose we want the search item to be twice as wide as the others. No problem. Simply apply Container Search Flex 2. It's important to target it this way because the selector search alone won't work due to the CSS specific rules. While this example demonstrates the concept, in real-world scenarios it is more common to have one item take the lead in flexing, while the others maintain the fixed width. You can achieve this by removing the Flex 1 from all of the items except the search. Now, for your task, I'd like you to flip the scenario. Instead of the search item flexing, make it have a fixed width. The home and the logout items should grow and shrink as the container width changes. Pause the screencast to complete the task, and once you're ready, I will show you how I would do it. Welcome back! Let's see how I would solve this task. First, I will fix the width of the search item by removing its Flex property. I will then transfer this Flex value to the home item. Lastly, I will apply the same Flex behavior to the logout item. Now, both home and logout items will dynamically adjust the width as the container changes, while the search item remains fixed. Remember, while this example might not represent a common layout, it demonstrates how you can achieve specific Flex behaviors. That finishes up this lecture. I'll catch you in the next one.